My name's Austin Yates. I'm doing my case report number 2 on plate boundaries, the transform boundary. So, the transform boundary is when two plates rub against each other and they're going opposite ways. Kind of like traffic, they're going opposite ways. This plate is going that way, that plate's going that way, and there's a whole bunch of friction going on, and a thing called shear stress. So shear stress is the stress that's caused due to the plates moving together and causing a lot of friction between each other when one's moving one way and one's moving the other way. The features that come with the transform boundaries are mountain ranges. Not high mountain ranges, but some mountain ranges do form, such as right here in the San Andreas Fault, as well as a big old crevice in the middle, on top of the plate boundary. Also, new crust does form as well. So like the crust is always going down and moving back up. It's not really new crust, but it's just like rotating the crust. Oops. Do earthquakes occur at this boundary? Yes. It is the San Andreas Fault, the most famous fault in the United States, I believe. Because California gets hit with earthquakes all the time because it lies on the San Andreas Fault. So yeah, it's always hurt with earthquakes. And it's mainly because the transform boundaries, they're not causing any damage to the plates, but when they move, they cause massive earthquakes. And as you can see, this fault does get mountain ranges. Not that high of mountain ranges, but some type of mountain range. So this is the satellite imagery of the San Andreas Fault. Not the best picture, but it will explain what I want to explain. So this is the most zoomed out picture of the San Andreas Fault. As you can see, kind of starts right here, and then it starts kind of like zigging out. And then we have the more zoomed in one. As you can see, mountain ranges are forming on the outside of the boundary, as well as forming in deeper into the mountain range, or the boundary. And this is even more zoomed in, so this picture is right here. So as you can see, it does develop mountain ranges and crevices and trenches, which is kind of cool. And these are my citations. Thank you guys. If you have any questions, please feel free to reply.